you have an environmental degree this summer? Are you passionate about housing and regeneration in North Wales? Then we could have the job for you. We are hiring a graduate environmental improvement officer that would be supporting the team at CCG to reduce the carbon footprint across the company, improve energy efficiency of our housing stock, make sure that all new homes are built to near zero carbon standard, and investigate cost-saving opportunities in how we manage waste. The successful candidates will have a 12-month contract and a salary of £21,559. But why work for us? You'll get 23 days of holiday per year, flexible working hours, membership of a pension scheme, great discounts as part of a staff discount scheme, you could join a cycle to work scheme, free membership to a healthcare scheme, and much more. Full details can be found on our website www.ccgwynedd.org/careers.